Biodiversity profile. Given the rich terrain diversity and the even more prolific and fertile grounds created by deltas and mountains, the biodiversity profile in Asia is very rich. Of the 34 biodiversity hotspots in the whole world, 13 are located in Asia. A biodiversity hotspot is a biogeographic region with a significant reservoir of biodiversity that is under threat from humans. The concept of biodiversity hotspots was originated by Norman Myers in two articles in 1888 and 1990. Revised after thorough analysis by Myers et al. In Hotspots, Earth's biologically richest and most endangered terrestrial ecoregions. To qualify as a biodiversity hotspot on Myers' 2000 edition of the hotspot map, a region must meet two strict criteria. It must contain at least 0.5% or 1,500 species of vascular plants as endemics, and it has to have lost at least 70% of its primary vegetation. These 34 biodiversity hotspots harbor a mega diversity of flora and fauna. More than 1,500 of such species are native to each of these 13 biodiversity hotspots in Asia alone. The rich rainforests of Sunda land comprising East Indies and Indonesia, Polynesia and Micronesia, besides the rainforests of the archipelagos in South China Sea and the Java Sea, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and across the Indian subcontinent, east of Tibetan Plateau, they all contribute to the tremendous faunal and floral diversity of Asia. The impenetrability of these rich rainforests is best gauged from the thick forest canopies and the rich arboreal life of the wildlife of these forests. Birds to mammals, amphibians to snakes, insects, crustaceans and cetaceans are all found in different regions of Asia. While cetaceans refer to marine mammals found in the seas, aquatic wildlife are found in major river systems in Asia. All other specimens of Asian wildlife dwells on or under the canopy of the Asian forests. There are also unique desert wildlife like wolves, vipers, spiders and scorpions, which are not found to be occurring in the forest canopies of Asia. Tropical rainforests, wet evergreen forests, moist deciduous forests, dry deciduous forests, grassland ecosystems dot the tropical zones, and in the higher latitudes there are grassland forests and pine forests besides tundra vegetation and snow-drenched coniferous forests. We will deal with natural vegetation, flora and fauna in a future episode. With this, we now conclude the current episode on terrain pattern in Asia. Thanks to the various geological phenomena that preceded the creation of the continent post Pangaea, a myriad set of contours developed in Asia. Mountains, rivers, deserts, fertile agricultural plains, estuaries and deltaic ecosystems, coastal belts, island ecosystems and desert ecosystems. Each of this ecosystem is marked by its own unique and endemic biodiversity, including faunal and floral diversity. In the next episode, we shall study how the riparian ecosystem evolved, the drainage patterns, rainfall, climate patterns, critical significance of monsoons in Asia, and how it is part of the planet's rainfall pattern, and seasons will indeed provide interesting insights, I assure you.